In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to reset the fuser counter on the Brother DCP-8110DN printer quickly and easily.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Brother printers use an internal counter to track fuser life. After replacing the fuser, this counter may need to be reset. To enter maintenance mode, first press the menu button. Then quickly press the star button followed by 28 and then 64. Make sure to enter the sequence without long pauses between the keys. If entered correctly, the printer will enter maintenance mode. At this stage, press 88 and then press the OK button. Press the exit button, then enter 99. After that, wait for the process to complete. The printer will finish the reset automatically. That is it for this video. If this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe to Device Doctor, and stay tuned for more printer repair videos. Thank you for watching.